So we're seeing more and more business. I think in our industry, I think it's going to remain strong, and I think it'll continue to grow.
Hey there, I'm Jesse with Contend Capital, and we're on our Made in America tour highlighting American manufacturing. This week we're stopping in Cleveland, Ohio for the PMTS trade show focused on precision manufacturing. So let's go check it out. Jeff.
Hey, Jesse, how are you, man?
Good, how you doing?
Well.
I don't know if you've seen it all. We started doing a Made in America tour. Yeah. Would you like to make any comments, for the video of what you guys are seeing from Eurotech's perspective?
Obviously a lot of talk of recession, right. And we're hearing from customers that they're scared, but they're all busy. So, and that crosses, I'd say, almost all industries right now. We've just finished probably our best 4 months of new orders. We're still seeing the firearms industry being good, not as good as it was.
Sure.
Aerospace and defense is just, going absolutely crazy. Everything related to that is booming. So we're seeing more and more business.
Sure.
I think in our industry, I think it's going to remain strong, and I think it'll continue to grow. So.
We sure hope so. It seems like, at the show, it doesn't seem like much is quieting down.
No, it's been good.
It'll be good, so cool.
Been good.
Right,
yeah, thanks.
Again.
Good talking with you, Jesse.
So as you can see, one of the big themes of the show this year is automation. So at the Fanuc booth, they have their robots doing all the self-tending, and this is pretty common across the show floor.
The biggest trend that we're seeing is automation moving down to the smaller factory floors, right? Job shops, if you will. So what you're seeing here is the ease of automation here. So you have your collaborative robot here, so you have no guarding, you notice. But then you're also seeing things like the flexibility. This is actually on wheels. So you can move it up to different machines and hook it up to different machines. And actually with ease of programming using vision and such like that, it can kind of self-locate itself so that the parts that it's picking up that it already knows how to do automatically get loaded and get loaded correctly. So the idea is like you take a small job shop, automation has always been historically kind of out of range for them, right? Okay, so now with this kind of technology, you can now have that on your smaller job shop floors, if you will. Because labor is hard to get a hold of, right? Okay, so automation's where it's at.
Everyone's been talking about a potential recession, a slowdown. What are you guys seeing in the market? Is manufacturing still busy this year? Is it a slowdown?
From our standpoint, we're still going gangbusters, if you will, right?
Sure.
We're seeing record levels, okay, and record amounts of interest, if you will, in this technology, because it is a game changer.
What would you say the biggest challenges are that your customers are facing right now?
I would say talent in the workforce. So good, reliable talent. A lot of people are kind of fighting over talent.
And would you say, there's a lot of talk about automation, robots. Is that being used as a solution?
It seems like the interest is definitely there. People, if you can't find the proper talent, people are just trying to figure out ways to get more done with less human resources.
Are there certain industries in Michigan that are hot right now, or what's really booming, would you say?
The firearm industry is definitely still kicking. Medical seems to be doing pretty strong. Automotive seems to be really picking up. Our quoting activity is through the roof right now. So aerospace has been pretty steady the entire time. So honestly, I think things are picking up. I think a lot of people have been kind of sitting back, kind of watching the economy and what's going on. We had a few month lull there, and we've been ramping back up the last few weeks. So.
Thanks for joining us on our Made in America tour. For other content related to American manufacturing, be sure to check out our other videos.